I'm Stanley, the sales manager of the Sung-Tai Machinery. Sung-Tai Machinery is a professional roller manufacturer with a 33 history in the roller industry. The company was founded by a founder, Mr. Hong Zhenji in the Taipei city of Taiwan in 1980. At the initial stage, Sung-Tai Machinery focused on manufacturing the aluminum and iron rollers for equipment manufacturers, and also we serve for a devices company and help them to manufacture precision devices. We always keep this as our disciplines: high quality, professional technique, the trust, and the client orientation. We serve our best roller and provide our service to our clients. Our products can be divided into three categories, which are customized rollers, precision devices, and embossing machines. We have 7 different types of customized rollers: aluminum rollers, absorbed dust rollers, absorbed water rollers, embossing rollers, Teflon rollers, titanium rollers, and wolfram steel rollers. We focus on the manufacturing the rollers with the length between 3 to 3 and 6.4 feet, or between 1 and 5 meters. The diameter of the rollers is between 3 to 3 feet, or between 1 meter. An application of our embossing roller is to stamping out the patterns on the stationery papers or decorative wallpapers. We provide 20 patterns choice. The small and varied patterns will be stamped on the stationery papers, leather, plastic, and aluminum. You also can use our embossing roller to stamp out the patterns on the stationery papers, window curtains, and rubbers. Area of the patterns on the ER-01 is about 3 by 3 mm squared. The maximum area of the patterns on the ER-01 is around 3 by 10 mm squared. The average distance between the patterns is about 5 to 10 mm. ER-01 can be used on the stationery papers, leather, nylon, pellet, aluminum slides, and metal. ER-02 is mostly used on the leather and the pellet tops. The average area of the pattern is 10 by 10 mm squared. The irregular patterns can be given on the paper, leather, plastic, and aluminum slices. ER-03 is a standard roller with the regular and square pattern. The length is 5 mm. The absorbed dust and absorbed water rollers are adapted on the manufacturing process of the LCD panels. In order to get rid of the dust, the absorbed water rollers use the specific material with a high quality of the stiffness on the surface. Tungsten carbide is the most hardened alloy. The hardness of the tungsten carbide 9.5 is the same as the diamond. The elements of wolfram steel are steels, tungsten, chromium, and nickel. Our wolfram steel rollers are fully spurred wolframs on the surface. The WSR can also be used as a high temperature and pressure environment of the manufacturing process. Our titanium alloy rollers has a property of anti-erosion because of its intensity. PRs are used in a large quantity in optical, electronic, mechanical, and actual process. Most of our rollers will be used on the manufacturing process or product line. If your company stops your product line and looks for a troubleshoot, you will lose millions of dollars per month for waiting the rollers or coining the case. However, Sung-Tai Machinery provides customized rollers, aluminum rollers, absorbed dust rollers, absorbed water rollers, Teflon rollers, wolfram steel rollers, titanium rollers, and so on, which the length is between 3 to 3 and 60.4 feet. And also we provide different kind of service quality. We can help you to solve a problem. We provide 10 to 200 rollers per order.